Let's tackle one of the most common issues HP Deskjet users encounter, the dreaded document feeder jam. Whether you're using a Deskjet 2700, 3700, or an older model, we'll go through a series of solutions to clear up that jam. Our step-by-step guide will help you get back to printing without a hitch. First, turn off the printer and remove any loose paper from the input tray. Check for any crumpled paper or small bits stuck inside the feeder that might be causing the jam. Next, gently open the document feeder cover and remove any remaining bits of paper. Make sure there are no obstructions. Ensure that the paper you're using meets the printer's specifications. Overly thick or thin paper can lead to jams. Make sure your paper stack's not too thick and that the guides are positioned correctly to prevent the paper from skewing. Run your fingers along the paper path to ensure there are no small obstructions or rough edges that could catch sheets. Perform a printer reset by turning it off, unplugging it for a minute, and then plugging it back in and turning it on. Sometimes a reboot can reset the feeder mechanism. Finally, update your printer's firmware through the HP website to ensure the latest fixes for common issues. If those solutions didn't clear the document feeder jam, it might be time to inspect for any hidden debris or parts that might need replacing. Sometimes the issue could be mechanical, requiring a repair. Check the links in the description for replacement parts or further assistance. Don't forget to engage with our community in the comments and check out our next video for more printer tips.